Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable Steam Overlay. If you're using Steam, you might have heard about this handy feature that lets you access your Steam community features without leaving your game. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to turn on Steam Overlay, so you can browse the web, and more, all without having to exit or minimize the game window. Now let's move towards activating it. First, launch Steam. Once it's open, ensure that you're logged into your account. Now, to enable the Steam Overlay, let's access the settings. To do this, go to the top left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, you'll see a list of tabs on the left. Click on the In-Game tab. Here, you'll find various gaming-related settings. Look for the button that says Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. Make sure this button is enabled to enable Steam Overlay. Now, let's configure the shortcut key for opening the Steam Overlay. By default, the shortcut key to access the Steam Overlay is Shift+Tab. You can customize this in the Steam settings under the In-Game tab. Right below the checkbox, you'll see a field labeled Shortcut Key. Click on it to set your desired shortcut. Press the key or combination of keys you want to use as your shortcut. For example, you can use Ctrl+Tab. And that's it. Now, when you're playing a game through Steam, simply press your shortcut key to access the Steam Overlay. From here, you can access Steam features without leaving your game. One handy feature of the Steam Overlay is the ability to take screenshots while playing a game. Simply press F12 to capture a screenshot, which will be saved to your Steam library. But keep in mind that some users report a slight decrease in performance when the Steam Overlay is enabled, especially on lower-end systems. If you experience performance issues, you can try disabling the overlay to see if it improves. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.